Okay, this video will show you how to edit and update your virtual classroom slide. First, you all have a shared link to this folder called 5th grade. Inside the 5th grade folder, there are 3 subfolders: ELA, Mathematics and Applied Mathematics, or Science and Applied Mathematics. I'm going to look at the ELA. So let's look in here. I have 2 documents in here actually. One is the slide itself, and if you recognize the slide, it looks like this. But the other document, don't forget, that's inside that folder is this Google Docs, which I have, uniquely, or I guess had a great inspiration to title this Social Studies Assignments. Obviously, these are examples. You can put whatever you want in there, and I think you should. So I'm just going to change this a little bit, Social Studies Assignments, and then I'm going to put here, Assignment 1, read this section. Obviously, I'm going to go into way more detail with students, but anyway, I'm going to make a link to this. So what will I link to this? Whatever I want. So I'm going to create a link, and then either I'm going to link it to something in our own curriculum, or I might search the internet and find something like this. And once I find something like this, I might copy that link and then go back to my social studies assignment and insert that link. There it is. Yay. So now, whoops, that was a mistake. So I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to link and insert that link and apply. Yay. Now every time I click on that, it'll take me to that site. Okay. Again, I'm just using this as an example. Here comes kind of the fun part, or at least I think it's the fun part. I'm going to take this thing and I'm going to publish it to the web. That's our normal thing. The reason I publish it to the web is it gives me a link. Yay! Now I can copy that link. But now, why is this important? Because if I go back and look at my page, I might want to link to assignments. And so I'll insert that link here. And now here's the beauty of this. Once I do that, and all I have to do is click on that and it takes me to that assignment page. And the assignment page takes me to that page. Why would I go to all that trouble? Because now all you have to do is constantly update the assignment page, and your classroom, the assignments, is already linked to the assignment page. And so they just go there, and whatever you put on that page is what they're going to be doing. And once you go to that page, you might have 10 assignments here. I don't know how many assignments you'd have over the course of a quarter or a semester. But you can put as many as you want, or as few as you want. Okay, so why is this important? Why have I set it up this way? Because if you remember, now that I've done that, go back and look at the classes, and look at Henderson's class. Look under ELA and Social Studies, click on that, and now there's a link to assignments. And now I can click on that assignment. It's automatically there. And the beauty of this is if I go and look at the classes and look at Pepe's classroom, classwork, ELA, click on that, assignments automatically shows up, takes you directly there. Like, you don't have to redo this for every class. Again, that's also true for Looper's class as well. Automatically shows up there. So you go there, click on it, there it is, and you can, now, okay, so then it takes you there. I use those only as examples, as exemplars. So what is now, why does this benefit you? Because it might seem a little bit roundabout to you. Here's how. Once you set up your Google Classroom in the way that you want, like, let's look at the ELA classroom. Obviously, I just set this up in a very basic way, but you change it any way you want, update it, put in any, additional items, any kind of links that you want up here, any kind of additional, things that you want in the classroom. It automatically updates the Google Classroom for every teacher. And the reason that it might be useful to you to have a separate assignments page is because if the only thing you want to do is update an assignment, you don't even have to touch your page. Your web page. That Google Classroom. You just go here and update the assignments page. And the beauty is the assignments page is linked to your Google Classroom. So that's really nice. There are some other things that you can do as well, but I just want to get that idea across how simple this can be. It can basically be your main goal or your main duties will be updating this page or whatever page you decide to put in there. You may also, you want to spend some time on this page as well. This is actually a Google slide, and get that to whatever you want. Obviously, if you don't want this thing in there, you just get rid of it. But that's the idea. Like, if you can just delete this, I'm not going to delete it now, but you could easily delete it and put whatever you want in there. All right, that's it.